Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com and I'm back with another SaaS product review. And on this video, I'll be doing a review and demo of a tool called ContentGroove, which is an AI video editor, which you can use to generate short clips or highlights from long form videos. So if you have a lot of long form videos on your YouTube channel, then this particular tool is really useful because it uses AI to auto generate short clips from any long form video that you upload. Furthermore, you can use ContentGroove to transcribe your video. And by that, I mean you don't just get to add captions to the short clips or highlights that you're creating on ContentGroove, but you can add captions to the full video that you're uploading on ContentGroove. So if you'd like to add captions to any long form video that you have on YouTube or Vimeo, you can use ContentGroove's AI to transcribe that video and then download the caption file. Now, as you can see, ContentGroove is available on AppSumo. You can get lifetime access to it for just $49. You can check out the link that I've included in the description of this video. Just to show you a glimpse of how much you'll be saving if you go with the AppSumo deal, I'll show you the pricing page of ContentGroove. So typically for the paid plan, you have to pay $9.95 a month and you can upload up to 20 hours of video. There's also a free plan available. So if you want to test out this product before you buy the AppSumo deal, you can just sign up for the free plan. You can upload up to 1 hour of video and test out all the features that they have. Now, the plan that AppSumo is offering, you get lifetime access to ContentGroove for $49. You can upload and transcribe up to 10 hours of video per month. If you'd like a higher limit, then you can go with Tier 2 or Tier 3 license, depending on your requirement. But the basic license, which is available for $49, gives you up to 10 hours of video upload per month. Now I'll do a quick demo of this product so you know how ContentGroove works. Right, I've just logged into my ContentGroove account, and the first thing I would advise you to do before you upload a video or an audio clip on ContentGroove is to tweak your account settings a bit. To do that, just click on My Account and then click on Settings and then go to Channels. This is where you can connect your YouTube channel with ContentGroove. This will allow you to share all the edited clips and highlights that you create on ContentGroove directly to your YouTube account. Since the videos you'll be creating here will be highlights or short clips, you can upload them directly to your YouTube channel as YouTube Shorts. Next, you can go to integrations and connect your TikTok account with ContentGroove. So if you're someone who's creating content on TikTok, then you can integrate TikTok with ContentGroove and share the videos that you create on ContentGroove directly to TikTok. Right now, there's no integration provided for Facebook or Instagram, but I'm hoping those integrations will be added soon. But there is an option to save or download the clips that you create on ContentGroove, and I'll show you how to do that in a short while. But right now, the first thing you should do when you log into your ContentGroove account is just connect your YouTube channel and your TikTok channel if you have one. Once you've done that, you can return to the dashboard and upload your video or audio file. Now, if you have a podcast and if you would like to create highlights for a specific episode, then you can upload the audio file of that episode, and ContentGroove will use its AI to create highlights from that particular episode. But for this video, I would just like to show you how you can use ContentGroove to create highlights for a long form video. So to upload a video, just click on Upload Video or Audio. You can either upload the video directly from your system, or you can simply copy and paste a link here from your channel. Now, while the video is getting uploaded, ContentGroove will simultaneously process the video for you and auto-generate AI clips from your long-form video. So let me just show you how it works by selecting a video that I've uploaded on ContentGroove. So the first thing you'll notice is that the entire video has been transcribed. And on the left side, you'll see some AI generated clips. The number of these clips will vary depending on the length of your video. You can also create your own clips here, but the whole point of using ContentGroove is to leverage AI when it comes to creating short clips for your long form video. So you can select any of the clips here. As an example, let me select this clip. Now, since this is a YouTube video, the dimensions are 16:9. A horizontal video, but when you're uploading a short clip on Instagram or TikTok, you would probably want a vertical video because vertical videos get a lot more engagement. This is where you can use the crop feature and you can change the dimensions. Here I'll be changing it to 9:16 and I'll just focus on the speaker. You can also add captions to this video and then edit the position and the size of the captions. So the default size of the caption is a bit large, so I would like to reduce that a bit. I would also like to reduce the width The positioning is quite all right, so I'll leave it here. You can also change the color of the text and the background, so you can edit the captions as per your liking. Now let me just play the clip for you.
Traffic and they don't get sales. Or they're good at SEO and they get a lot of traffic but no sales. Or they're good at ads, so they get sales but no.
Now once you're happy with the short clip, you can save the clip, and this is where it'll be saved. You can then share it directly to YouTube, or you can share it directly on TikTok. You can also download the video with captions, or just download the video without captions. So this is how ContentGroove works. This is a short tutorial, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. And if you'd like to leverage AI to create short clips from long form videos, this is one of the best tools out there. You can create a ton of short videos from your long form videos and then promote it on social media. Now, if you like ContentGroove, you can grab lifetime access to it on AppSumo. The link is included in the description. If you have any questions about the tool, I would be happy to answer them in the comment section. So do leave your comments if you have any questions about ContentGroove. Thank you so much for watching this ContentGroove review and demo. I hope you found it useful, and I'll be back very soon with a new SaaS product review.